Hey guys, do you know about remote leak detection? In this video, I'm going to teach you, and we are going to do it now. I'm Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the expert plumber. Welcome back to another great video. If you've not been here before and you want to learn all things plumbing as a homeowner, buyer, or real estate agent, start by subscribing right now and ringing the bell so you don't miss out on anything. So guys, what we're talking about today is remote leak detection. And I know that sounds strange because when we have leaks under a house, we understand somebody has to come out and do it. Well, there's a new product out, and it is actually really, really good. It is called MeterDog. If you've ever heard of MeterDog or you're interested in remote leak detection or anything like this, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you've heard about the product or if you've used it or if you might be interested in it. So basically, is a system that you actually install at your meter. The main thing is this little piece right here gets hooked up right by the meter and actually reads every time it spins. You've got a battery that goes in it, and then you've got a lid for the case, and I love the little MeterDog logo. But this goes on top. It all goes together. It goes inside of your water meter box, and there's actually an antenna built in here that has its own cell connection. So literally it's talking on the phone all day long about your water. And what it does, it determines if your meter spins. What's neat about this, they've got a wonderful app that you go to on your phone and it'll tell you your water usage. What is your water number? The reason people would want to know that is if their water number starts going up, they can start realizing, hey, I'm really spending a lot more money on water right now than I should be. If your water number goes down, you can look at things and say, hey, you know what? The kids aren't here. I'm taking shorter showers, whatever the case may be. You can always look at it and analyze it. What's neat is you start learning what your number is, what your number should be. You know your daily numbers. And the neat thing is when you're out of town, this can tell you if you have a leak because it sends notifications to your phone on the app. The neatest thing that it does is it tells you the last time your meter quit spinning. So you have a toilet at home and all of a sudden it starts running. It's running all the time. It lets you know the last time your meter quit spinning was this long ago. Now imagine a leak on a water line under a house. Same thing. When did it stop? The last time, which means the last time it stopped was 12 hours ago, it has not stopped spinning since then. That lets you know that you have some kind of a leak. This is really cool. Because if your plumber comes out and installs this and sets everything up right, there can actually be notifications set up to let him know also the last time your meter quit spinning. Now that could be beneficial because if you're on a plane, if you're out of the country, if you're just ignoring your phone for a while, if your plumber has your permission, he can actually come over and turn your water off just to make sure that there's not a problem that's causing issues or damage to your house. Guys, I'm a plumber. I know people that have had serious water damage in their house, and I promise you, this device can save tens of thousands of dollars in a case like that. So you have a water heater rupture in your attic and you're out of town. You've got a notification that your water is running like crazy. Your water meter hadn't stopped. Something needs to be done. Guys, shutting off the water in a timely manner when you have a leak like that is critical. And again, like I said, can save you tens of thousands of dollars. If you're seeing this video and you've ever had a problem, a leak in the house that caused damage, let me know, number one, what it was. Was it a toilet? Was it a water heater? Number two, what was the total cost? And how much time were you out of your house? Because those are the three biggest things. I've seen issues where people had a toilet break upstairs. Of course, it happened while they're out of town for a long weekend on vacation. And it caused about $80,000 worth of damage. The lady was out of her condo for 6 months, 7 months. Now, the good thing is she got to rebuild it the way she wanted it done. So there's some good things about it. But guys, the inconvenience of that is horrible. And with this device hooked up, you will know, hey, something is wrong. My meter has not stopped spinning. It keeps turning. There's issues here. And if you can't get to it, you can call the plumber and say, hey, will you run by the house and turn the water off? Or maybe you just call your neighbor. Hey, I don't know what's going on. Will you just go over and turn the water off at my house? Which leads to another video, if you hadn't seen, how to turn the water off to your house. Guys, things like this are huge. If you want to know more about Meter Dog, leave a comment down here and let me know. We will let you know information on it. We'll talk to you about it and see what we can do. If there's a way we can help each other, be happy to do that. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about plumbing, check out some of the other videos we've done on The Expert Plumber. And start now by clicking on the subscribe button and ringing the bell so you don't miss out on anything. And I'll see you on the next video if you don't get flushed.